Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G22, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, with that being said, to get started you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could just grab a paper clip, shine one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you need to take off the case of your device if you have one on, and then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. So right where the pin is holding. From here, push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out. And now for you to just grab it and take it out. On the tray, you will have space for either two different SIM cards. So if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the cards sideways on the SD tray. But because I'm planning to use one of each, I'm going to move it over like so, and then I'm going to put my SD card right in its tray. From there, carefully insert it back into your phone. And the cards should start working right away. So it looks like it already has reception. Yep, there we go, LTE. And let's see if we have any notification about SD card. And we do, as you can see at the bottom right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.